Right then, Robbo, there's one capacitor on the amp board. There's another capacitor on the amp board. If I get my finger and wiggle it, it's very loose and there's swelling on the top of the capacitor there. That one's more flatter. And then as we come up to the power supply, if you look at this, that seems to be slightly flat. And then as you go up, you can see the tops of the capacitors starting to swell, which is quite a worry, because once they swell, that means they're actually potentially expanding due to the heat, and they could explode. So that's the major worry. If I plug the lead in, let's make sure it's off on the front, which it is. If I then plug the lead in like that and switch the amp on, if you look at the two indicators on that board, the green light should light up to say that it's ready to use, and if the red light lights up, obviously there's a fault. So I switch on and the fault light's coming on straight away. There is nothing on the front panel at the moment. I've checked the fan. The fan's pretty much buggered, which I would suspect, which is why the capacitors have swelled, because it's got extremely hot. Probably would recommend that all these amps in this same place where you're getting them from, they're probably going to have most of the same faults, which is fan, capacitors, and an extreme clean out and service. What else can I say, Babs? Let me know anyway. Cheers.